Hello, nice to see you. You're very busy today. You're always busy, no, baby?
Can you say it?
You are always busy.
Mm.
Hold on. Okay, baby, hold on. I am pulling out the lesson. So we are done with lesson 20B.
Okay.
So we're going to have 20B, 20C. How are you today?
Very well.
Wow. Did you eat your dinner? Did you eat dinner?
Mm.
Did you eat your dinner, baby?
Yes, I ate
What did
rice, eat meat.
Wow. Okay, let me share my screen. So 20C. Again, I think this is the continuation of our test. Okay?
Mm.
Okay, can you see it? Ah, hold on, baby. This is not the test. Okay. Speaking, baby. We are more on talking. Hold on, baby. Before we go there, give me 1 minute. I'll put. It's so beautiful. Okay.
It's a beautiful day in spring, hey hey. The sun is shining my way. The birds are singing, the bells are ringing. Today is Easter Sunday. How do you celebrate?
Easter time is here.
What do you like about
Easter time is here.
I love to spend it with my family and friends. I don't want it to end, 'cause I love my family time on Easter Day.
I like to have lots of sweet things to eat. Chocolate eggs are a treat. The Easter bunny might come visit too. My family gets all dressed up so fine. Goes to church at sunrise. Don't forget the yummy Easter food. I like that game where you roll an egg super fast. Hurry or you'll be last. When do we color X to hide? I love to make super sparkly ones. Polka dot stripey ones. I wonder what that basket has inside.
It's time to celebrate.
Easter time is here.
Come on, let's celebrate.
Easter time is here.
I love to spend it with my family and friends. I don't want it to end, 'cause I love my family time on Easter Day.
Yes, I like that song. Do you like that song too?
Yes.
That's a nice song. Okay, so our test for tonight is test 2 speaking. Okay,
Yes.
am I right? Speaking. Hold on. Let me double check it. Okay, that's correct. Okay, let me share. Okay, speaking. Speaking. So I will ask you some questions and you're going to answer them in complete sentence. Okay?
Yes.
Yay! Okay. First and foremost, What? Oh, tell me about your favorite food and drink.
My favorite food is meat. My favorite drink is lemonade.
Wow, very good. That's correct. So that is correct. My favorite is only one. So you use the word is
Only one.
lemonade. Very good, baby. Okay. Anything else?
The end. End.
Okay. What is your surname?
My surname is Nguyễn Tài Trường.
Okay. Your last name. Very good. How old are you?
I'm 12 years old.
I am 12 years old. Very good. Okay. Why is it like this? Hold on, baby. Oh, find the difference, baby. Look at the
Yes.
picture. Okay, hold on. Hold on. Ah, okay. It's really like that, baby. So can you tell me, baby, you are going to find it. Can you tell me the difference?
Yes.
The picture, because it's already been encircled. So you're just going to tell me one by one, okay?
In first picture, there is a rabbit, but in the second picture there is zebra.
Okay, it's okay, baby. Continue. You're just going to tell it because there is already encircled. Okay, go. Next.
In first picture, uh, there are there are there are three big flowers, but picture second, there is only one big flower.
Big flower. Okay, one big flower. So it means no S, not flowers, but flower. Okay.
Yes. In second picture, there is a robot, but in first picture, there isn't a robot.
Okay.
Uh, mm, no. In first picture, the robot in outside.
Okay. The robot.
But second picture, the robot in a house.
Yes, inside. Exactly. Next.
Uh, uh, in first picture, there is three purple chairs.
Yes. And the other picture?
But in second picture, there
is
there are three pink hairs.
Yes. What else? There are many. I can see a lot of differences between the two pictures. The moon, baby.
The moon is brown.
Red.
It's orange.
Orange. Okay.
In first picture, the moon is orange, but in second picture, the moon is yellow.
Yes. Okay. How about that? I can see a lot. The TV.
The TV. In first picture, the TV has a man.
There's a picture of man. How about the second picture?
The second picture, the TV hasn't the man.
Okay. Has no man. Okay. How? Look, I can see more. I can see more, baby. Clock, baby.
The boy is playing badminton.
Okay, that's also correct.
But the two boys is playing.
The two boys are
playing
tennis, baby.
Tennis. Tennis.
Okay, how about the clock?
In first picture, the clock is 8.
Okay, and
But second picture, the clock is 1.
And also, baby.
1 o'clock. In first picture, the rabbit. There is a rabbit.
Yeah.
But second picture,
there's no.
there is a lizard.
Lizard. Okay, the color of the lizard is?
In first picture, has the tree.
The trees. The trees are.
The two tree has many.
Have, baby, have. The trees have many.
Have many leaves.
Okay.
But the tree.
The second picture.
In second picture, the tree hasn't many tree and leaves.
Okay. I got it. I can see one more, baby. It's not encircled.
The boy is picture in picture 1. In first picture, the boy is watching TV, but picture Second, the boy is eating.
Yes. Or I can see one more, baby. That's correct. How about the door? The door of the house. It's not encircled.
In first picture, the door is closed.
Closed. Okay.
But in second picture, the door is opened.
Yes, open. Yes, very good. Oh my God. Hold on. Why is it? Okay. Now, let's. Are you, there are lots of words that you say. Sorry, baby. Okay. Let's try to discuss Mary's pets. Can you tell me what is Mary's pet?
What is very bad? What is very bad? Horse.
What horse? What is the pet? What is the food of the horse?
What is the food of the horse? Carrots.
Carrots, okay. How about the color of the horse?
6 years old.
The color, baby.
Brown and black.
Yes, and how old is the horse?
6 years old.
And what is the name of the horse?
Harry.
Okay, this is where Harry, can you read it, baby?
Yes, this is where Mary's bed sleeps. I don't know anything about Mary's bed, but you do so. So I'm going to ask you some question.
I already asked, okay? Now, what pet has Mary got?
What's that Harry's got? Horse.
What its name?
It's named Harry.
Hurry, okay. What does it eat?
What does it? Carrot.
Okay. How
Yes.
old is it, the horse?
6 years old.
What color is it?
It's brown and black.
It's brown and black. That's very good. Okay, next. Okay, how about Peter's pet?
Frog.
What is the food of the frog? Oh my God.
Spiders.
Ew. What is the color of the frog?
Green and brown.
Yeah. How old is the frog?
Uh, 8 months.
Okay, what is the name?
Fred.
Okay, this is where Peter's pet sleeps. Now, you don't know anything about Peter's pet, so you ask me some questions. Can you read it, baby?
This is where Peter's pet sleep. Now you don't know anything about Peter's pet, so you ask me some question.
Okay, so I already asked you questions. What pet has Peter got?
It's frog.
What does it eat?
Spiders.
What color is it?
It's green and brown.
Okay, how old is Peter's pet?
8 months.
8 months old. Okay. This picture tells, or these pictures tell a story. Okay, it's called camping. Continue reading, baby.
These pictures tell a story. It's called camping. Just
Camping.
look at picture first. The two girls are walking in the mountain. Two boys are camping in sunshine. The weather's good. They are in their tent. They are very happy. Now tell the story.
Okay, so they are having a camping. Just look at the pictures first. The two girls are walking in the mountains. The two boys are camping in the countryside. The weather's good. They're in their tent. They're very happy. Now you tell the story. Look at the first picture, baby.
First
Say,
picture. The two boys is
the two boys are
uh two boys and
the two boys are
no.
look at the first picture, baby. What are they doing? Two boys are having a
Having
they are having a camping. So they
camping.
are inside the
Camping.
they are inside the what do you call that?
That
Inside the
is
tent. So the second
camping.
picture, what happened to the tent?
Tent.
The second picture,
Tent is
the tent is that
hurt.
broken.
Tent.
It became broken. It got broken. So what the third picture? What are they doing in the third picture?
Is can you say again?
The third picture, baby. What can you say about the third picture?
The boy is having a camping. The boy is
Oh, what are they doing?
is drinking coffee.
No, the third picture is because the tent is broken, so they cannot fix it. So what did they do? They look at what number 4 picture. What did they do in the fourth picture?
For which the boy is the two boys are
What did they do?
picture two boy
What did they do?
the boy picture 3.
Picture 4, baby. What are they doing?
The boy is oh no.
picture 4, they fix the tent. They fix the tent by putting the giraffe. Look, the giraffe is the one, right? So look at the picture 5. They slept inside the tent.
They are sleeping.
Yes, while the giraffe is the one that is the standing in their tent, right? Okay, answer the questions. Can you read it?
Is the weather still good?
Is the weather still good? Look at the
No, it
picture.
isn't.
No, it isn't, because look what happened to the picture too. Okay?
Is the tent broken? Yes.
Yes. Okay.
Are the boys cold? Yes, they are.
Yeah.
Who's looking at the giraffe?
Who's looking at them? Giraffe. Yes. Next.
What are the boys doing now? Picture, picture, picture. What are the boys doing now? The boy is one picture. Where picture? Where picture? What doing? The boy is. The
What are
boys
the boys
are
doing? They are fixing.
fishing.
They are fixing the tent. On picture number 4, where's the giraffe standing?
Where's the giraffe standing?
Inside the?
In picture 5.
Where did the giraffe standing, baby?
Is in the evening. No. The boy. The giraffe standing. The boy. The giraffe standing. Look at the boy. Look at the two boys.
Yes. Is it not time?
Yes, it is.
What are the boys doing now?
The boys are sleeping.
Yes. Is the giraffe kind?
Yes.
Yes, very good. Okay. Okay. Can you read it, baby?
Yes. Now it's winning. 2. The test broken.
The tent's broken.
The test broken. 3. The boys are cold. 4. They are sitting in some blankets. A giraffe looking at them. 5. The boys are making the tent up. 6. The giraffe standing inside the tent. 7. It's night time. 8. The boys are sleeping in the tent. The giraffe's very kind.
Okay, so now it's windy. The tent's broken. The boys are cold. They're sitting in some blankets. A giraffe's looking at them. The boys are
Boys are Picking.
Up the tent.
10.
The giraffe standing inside the tent. It's night time. The boys are sleeping in the tent.
The giraffe.
That's very kind. Yes. Oh, okay, baby. What did you learn in our lesson today?
Can you say again?
What did you learn, baby, in our lesson today?
I learned the
About
weather
yes,
and food,
describe.
the ring.
So we're more on talking, okay?
Yes.
Okay, because we need to learn more on talking. Okay, so hold on, baby. Let me look up the next lesson.
Yes.
Hold on. 20. Oh, the next lesson we will be having another test, which is writing. Okay.
Okay.
So on Friday, right? We don't have Wednesday, right?
Yes.
So baby, last Saturday, I thought you are not having, we're not, because I waited, you told me that you're busy. So every Saturday, baby, we need to have class, okay?
Yes. Sunday.
Okay, it's okay with me the Sunday.
8 a.m.
You're not available on Monday, on Saturday, baby?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, baby, see you on, I cannot have another class because we will be having a test on next class, okay?
Okay.
Okay. So see you on Sunday. Wait, Friday. Okay?
Friday. Yes.
7:15 again.
Yes.
Okay, baby. See you.
See you again.
Bye-bye.
Goodbye.